Hi children, a very good morning to all. How are you all? Are you keeping safe at home? Okay, today we are going to learn about a bear. Look at this picture. You can see many bears, isn't it? So among these, one is not a bear. Can you find out which one is not in the group of bears? Yes, this corner one, that is koala. That is not a bear. Okay? Then today we are going to learn about the last picture. You can see who is that? With the black round eyes and black round shaped ears and back shoulders. And who is that? Pandas. Who is that? Pandas. So the lesson name is the giant panda. What is the name of the lesson? The giant panda. What is the meaning of giant? सबसे बड़ा. So there are 8 different types of bears are there. How many types of bears are there? 8 different types of bears are there. Then they are living in North America, South America, Europe and Asia. But these giant pandas are found only in China. Only now, how many giant pandas are remaining? Only 1000 giant pandas are remaining in this world. So today we are going to learn about the detail of these giant pandas. Okay, look at the page number 38, section 1. What are giant pandas? First question, what are giant pandas? Giant pandas are black and white Chinese bears. Giant pandas only in black and white color. They are Chinese bears. Among these, first one, female pandas are called sows and the male pandas are called boars and baby pandas are called cubs. Did you understand? There are only giant pandas found in China. Only the 1000 giant pandas are remaining in the world now. Okay, so these pandas in black and white color, and female pandas are called sows and male pandas are called boars and baby pandas are called cubs. Okay, the Chinese people have kept the peace in symbol of peace. The pandas are symbol of peace in China. Which word we used to say the peace of India? The pigeon is known as the peace of India. Then what do pandas look like? What do pandas look like? The pandas are large and have big heads. Pandas are very large and they are having big heads and heavy bodies. They are so fat. Their ears are round. And what is the color of that ear? Yes, black color. And their tails are short. Very short. The Chinese call the panda the giant cat bear because they have cat-like eyes. These Chinese people are calling these pandas, what is the name that called? Giant cat bear. Why? Because the eyes of these bears are like cat's eyes. Pandas have sharp eyes and can see very well. The pandas have sharp eyes. What is meant by sharp eyes? बहुत दूर. Sharp eyes means eyes which you can see far and clearly. Eyes which you can see far and clearly. दूर से सबसे अच्छा से देख सकते. Giant pandas are mainly white. These giant pandas are, what is the mainly, which color is there? Is white color. However, they have black patches around the eyes, ears, shoulders, chest, legs and feet. Though they are in the white color, their eyes have a black shade and their ears are in black, and this, what is, shoulders and chest are in black color, and the legs and feet in a black color. Okay, they live in snowy and rocky places. They are living in the snowy places and rocky places. Rock means bada patthar. Okay, so snow, what is the color of snow? White. What is the color of rocks? Is black. So they are living in the snowy and rocks place. Yes or no? There they can be live very easily because their body's color also black and white. So the enemies never find them. Their black and white coloring helps them to hide from enemies, so that they can escape from the enemies. Pandas have very thick, oily, woolly fur that keeps them warm in the cold and wet mountains. So pandas have very thick and oily, woolly fur. What is the speciality of that fur? It is very soft to see. You can see in the picture. Do you see the picture? Their fur is very soft and thick, and we will feel to hug them. Yes or no? Like it's so soft only. Next one, how big are giant pandas? How big are giant pandas? A full grown male pandas. सबसे बड़ा, males are very big one. Males are having 6 feet height and weight 150 kilogram. But female are smaller ones. While many people think pandas are cuddly and sweet, they can be as dangerous as any other bears. So by seeing it, we will feel so sweet and soft. What is meant by cuddly? Soft and lovable. We will see that by seeing black and white color, and it is very soft fur and all is there. So we will feel it is very soft and lovable. We will feel to hug them. But they are very dangerous like other bears. We know, we have heard the story of 2 friends and a bear. Yes or no? Next question, how do pandas move? How do pandas move? Pandas are good climbers. They can climb. इसे पेड़ में कैसे चढ़ाते हैं? इसे चढ़ा सकते हैं इसको. Sometimes they take afternoon nap. They will take a afternoon nap. What is mean by nap? A short sleep. They will take afternoon. They will take a short sleep. Where do they take the sleep? High up on the tree. They use their short claws to hold on to the bark of trees. They used to take the claws. They have the fingers and nails. So, like this they will climb on the wheel. इसे पकड़ के चला सकते इसका ऊपर. Pandas cannot run fast. So that, but pandas cannot run fast. Why? Because they are having too much, so heavy they are having 150 kilogram weight. Yes or no? So they cannot run fast. They use their short claws to hold on the bark of trees. Pandas cannot run fast. Okay children, now look at the section 2. What do pandas eat? What do pandas eat? पांडा का खाना क्या है? In the wild, pandas only eat bamboo. In the wild means jungle. जंगल में पांडास क्या खाते? बाम्बू. What is meant by bamboo? Bands. Pandas have to eat a lot of food to stay healthy. Pandas are very big, so they have to eat lot of food to stay healthy. They eat 10 to 20 kilograms of bamboos every day. There are very few bamboo forests left today. But nowadays what is? Bamboos are very few. So many wild pandas are short of food, so that jungle में pandas are facing short of food. What is mean by short of food? भोजन का कमी. Soon food are very less. Food is very less for them. Soon we may find that there are no pandas left in the world. If it is going in this situation, there will not be pandas in the world because they don't have enough food to eat. What is mean by a short of food? Do not get enough food to eat. In zoos and in other centers where they are taken care of, pandas eat bamboo, rice cereal, carrots, apples and sweet potatoes. Like a zoo and some of the play centers are there where the people are taking care of animals, isn't it? So such places the pandas used to eat not only bamboo, they will eat rice, carrots, apples and sweet potatoes also. The pandas' front paws are not like the paws of other animals. They are having front paws. That means the finger, like your finger places, their place is not, paws are not like other animals. How? They have thumb. They have thumb and they used to their paws to hold the food. So ऐसे पकड़ सकते हैं, हमारे हाथ जैसे इसको पकड़ सकते हैं. How long do the pandas live? The chain pandas live for about 35 years. How many years they live? They live about 35 years. Sometimes they live longer in captivity than in the wild. So the animals which we keep in the zoos or any other centers, they live more than 35 years. Those who are living in the jungle, they will die. They have only 35 years life. Okay. What sounds do pandas make? What are the sound that produce? क्या आवाज क्या बनाते हैं? Pandas mostly keep silent. Pandas will be always silent. They bleat when they communicate in a friendly manner. If they are talking in a friendly manner, they will bleat. What is meaning of bleat? Make a sound like that of a sheep. Sheep jays. The bark to scare away an enemy. What is mean by enemy? दुश्मन. कुछ दुश्मन आते तो in order to escape from the enemies, what they will do? They will bark like a dog. When they are in pain, they squeal. If they are getting pain, means they will squeal. What is mean by squeal? Making a long high pitched sound. Okay. Now next question, who are the panda's enemies? Panda का दुश्मन कौन सा है? A giant panda has very few natural enemies. Only few enemies are there. One of them is a snow leopard. Snow leopard is the first one. And next one, they will catch the baby panda. Sometimes a hungry eagle may snatch a baby panda that have been left in a tree. If baby panda is left in a tree, means who will come? Eagle will come and take. People hunt pandas for their fur, and people also will hunt them for what? For their soft fur. People also cut down the bamboos forest they live in. And people also used to cut the bamboos so that they will feel the shortage of the food. So pandas have no place to live and wander in the nearby villages in search of food. So that there is no place to food means they will come to nearby villages for what? By searching food. Did you understand? Is it clear to you? Okay children, now keep your finger under each line and we will read the lesson. Section 1. What are Jain pandas? Jain pandas are black and white Chinese bears. Female pandas are called sows. Males are called boars. And baby pandas are called cubs. The panda is a symbol of peace in China. What do pandas look like? Pandas are large and have big heads and heavy bodies. Their ears are round and their tails are short. The Chinese call the panda the giant cat bear because they have cat-like eyes. Pandas have sharp eyes and can see very well. Jain pandas are mainly white. However, they have black patches around their eyes, ears, shoulders, chest, legs and feet. They live in snowy and rocky places. Their black and white coloring helps them to hide from enemies. Pandas have very thick, oily, woolly fur that keeps them warm in the cold and wet mountains. How big are Jain pandas? A full-grown male panda can be about 6 feet tall and weigh up to 115 kilograms. Females are smaller. While many people think pandas are cuddly and sweet, they can be as dangerous as any other bears. How do pandas move? Pandas are good climbers. Sometimes they take an afternoon nap high up in the trees. They use their short claws to hold on to the bark of trees. Pandas cannot run fast. Now look at the section 2. What do pandas eat? In the wild, pandas only eat bamboo. Pandas have to eat a lot of food to stay healthy. They eat 10 to 20 kilograms of bamboo every day. There are very few bamboo forests left today, so many wild pandas are short of food. Soon, we may find that there are no pandas left in the world. In zoos and in the other centers where they are taken care of, pandas eat bamboo, rice, cereal, carrots, apples and sweet potatoes. The panda's front paws are not like the paws of other animals. They have a thumb. They use their paws to hold their food. How long do pandas live? Jain pandas live for about 35 years. Sometimes they live longer in captivity than in the wild. What sound do pandas make? Pandas mostly keep silent. They bleat when they communicate in a friendly manner. They bark to scare away an enemy. When they are in pain, they squeal. Who are the panda's enemies? A Jain panda has very few natural enemies. One of them is the snow leopard. It can catch a baby panda that has moved away from its mother. Sometimes a hungry eagle may snatch a baby panda that has been left in a tree. People hunt pandas for their fur. People also cut down the bamboo forest they live in. So, pandas have no place to live and wander into nearby villages in search of food. Okay children, is it clear to you? So read this lesson 3 times and learn the word meanings and write in your copy. Okay, thank you.